Hey guys, what would you do if you had a grease fire in your kitchen and it looked something like this? Stay tuned and we'll give you the answer. Hey guys, Andrew here from Ontario Fire Prevention Services, and today we are going to talk to you about Fire Prevention Month. The National Fire Protection Association has made October Fire Prevention Month, and this week specifically. And what we're going to do is focus on kitchen fire safety. That's right. So kitchen fire safety is very important, and the National Fire Protection Association wants everybody to know how to put out a grease fire should you have a grease fire in your home. So there are a number of ways that you can do this. The first thing that I need to tell you is that you should never, ever, ever try to put out a grease fire with water, okay? That will cause disastrous effects. There's lots of videos on YouTube to look up about that, so please do not ever put water on that, all right? So it's very important that we stress that. Next, a number of people say that they'll fight that grease fire with baking soda. Well, a lot of people keep their baking soda right above their stove, which is now on fire. So if you're reaching up there, fumbling through stuff, now you have the potential for a secondary fire, your clothes and whatnot, okay? So the National Fire Protection Association wants you to keep a pan lid close by so that you can smother that fire. The only problem with that is that some people are afraid to smother those fires. So, because you do have that chance to get a burn on your arm or even for your clothing to potentially catch fire getting close to that. So what we're going to talk about is an alternative, and that is fire blankets. That's what I have here. This is made from woven fiberglass fibers, and we're going to show you how it works. It comes in a pouch just like this. All right, so we'll show you exactly what you should do if you do have a kitchen fire and you have a fire blanket close by, and how easy it is. So we have a fire. We know how easy fires can start. What you do is you remove this from the packaging. You let it unfold. You take this like this, turn it towards you. You can see I am completely covered from that fire. Place this over top and smother the sides. All right. You can then leave it there for up to 20 minutes just to make sure. Turn off the heat, by the way. Make sure that that fire is completely smothered, but I can show you here real quick that there is no fire, and that is a woven fiberglass fire blanket. We have these available in our store at 3747 Portage Road in Niagara Falls, Ontario, right across the street from Sobeys, kind of kitty corner to the beer store there. You can get them there, or you can click the link down below, and we will talk to you about how you can get one. Fill out that survey. We do fire safety plans for people's houses. We'll come out and talk to you about fire safety and bring you one of these amazing fire blankets just for learning about fire safety and keeping your family safe. So once again, come visit us at the store, 3747 Portage Road in Niagara Falls. Or you can give us a call, 905-661-0951, or fill out that survey down below in the link. Again, 905-661-0951, or fill out that link down below. Thank you guys, stay safe, and keep on keeping on.